From the First Alert Weather Center, meteorologist Jonathan Condor with your severe storm timeline for Friday. The risk number one is a level 1 and 2 for the amount of damage reports. This is a very conditional risk. If storms can form, they're going to be pretty strong. All right, what are we looking at? Hail sizes, ping pong, golf ball, tennis ball. It doesn't mean that you're going to guaranteed to have those storms or those hail sizes at your house. But if storms form and move through that area, that's how big the hail could get. So northern Oklahoma, the biggest hail, the tornado index. We do this on a scale 1 to 10, kind of show you the ingredients. Southern Oklahoma is low as a 1, OKC is a 2, north of the metro, it's a 4. So it's low to medium. Again, if storms can form, but that's where we'll have the highest shear and looking at the cap to break. When would we look for storms? As early as 4 to 7 p.m. off the dry line in north central Oklahoma, and then 7 to 10 p.m. in central and northern Oklahoma, and then a cold front will come through, and during the evening overnight, there's still a window for some storms to come out of Kansas and clip northern Oklahoma. So potential for 2 waves. Again, low chances that you're going to get storms at your house, but those are going to be pretty strong. Now make sure you tune in. KOCO 5 News when 4, 5, 6, 10 o'clock tonight. Chief Meteorologist Damon Lane, he'll be in. He's going to show you that cold front, how it's going to impact your weekend plans on Saturday. Saturday's looking much, much cooler.